Hey everyone, I am Harshit. We are from Team Food.
I am Varun.
I am Akash.
I'm Shravani.
I'm Sumanesh.
So our topic is about a self-paying suitcase. Coming to the niche segment, during long trips while traveling from one place to another place, we have to check our bag. And while checking the bag, we have to lift the bag, and we have to check. Because of that, we will get the back pain. So to overcome this problem, we are designing a problem statement. To easily attach it to the bag, it gives us less human effort and reduces the pain.
Coming to existing solutions, portable conveyor weighing belts, which are used in agriculture areas and large industries, which we can't use in for the short trips and weighing measurements. And for the drawbacks of this existing solution is it is containing very high price, and we can't afford that price too. And the second existing solution is bag weighing luggage straps with built-in scales. These are used in airports. This will measure the very high weights.
So the gaps over here in existing solutions are it's time consuming, it's not that portable, it's not that accurate even, and the proposed solution we came up with is we want to make a device which is portable, which is accurate in weighing the bag, like weighing the device, and which is not that time consuming. So here the bag is inbuilt with a load cell and the device which is connected with load cell. This device helps human to measure the weight very accurately.
So the components used here are a load cell. Here the load cell is used as when the pressure on a weight is put on it, it converts the weight into the electrical signals. Since these electrical signals are very small and not legible to other devices, we use load amplifier. Here the load amplifier used is HX711, which amplifies the electrical signals and it gives on to it passes on to the Arduino. And here Arduino is connected to the LCD display which is placed on the top of the bag, and it displays the weight. So while coming to the connections of it, load cell is consists of Wheatstone which has 4 resistors, and when any weight is put on it, there will be a deformation in the load cell, and the load cell used for a strain gauge. Therefore, when a strain or a weight is put on it, it converts to electrical signals and the process is executed.
Coming to conclusion, the self-weighing suitcase presents a promising solution to the challenges often by faced the travelers when it comes to luggage, weight management, and helps travelers and avoid costly overweight bags, free and plain they more effectively while the concern and to observe the impact of the travelers expressing and whether become an indissoluble tool for a modern globality.
So first we need to keep the battery over here, and we need to press the reset button to reset the system again. Now we are keeping a bottle over here to weight it. So the bottle weight is shown in the LCD.